Hello, my name is John Butler, and I'd like to talk to you about our postgraduate certificate in Applied Statistics. It's run through the School of Mathematics in TU Dublin. What is Applied Statistics? Applied Statistics provides the practical tools to analyse, identify trends, and solve real-world problems across various industries. It is also the bedrock of what we call data science and machine learning. There's a massive demand for statistical expertise. It's never been greater. And the expectation on both public and private sector for excellence in these metrics and true understanding and intelligence-based decision making is, as I said, huge. The graduates of this course will be ready to take up data analysts and data science roles in sectors such as finance, manufacturing, engineering, internet technologies, healthcare, government, and non-profit organizations. But there are so many other places this kind of expertise will touch. What kind of students have done this course? Well, the background of students is very broad. Science and engineering, obviously, and computing, but we also have students who have a business background, healthcare background, applied social sciences, and psychology. What level of educational background do people need? Well, we have students who've just come out of their undergraduate degrees, all the way to people who have many years of experience and have done PhDs. A huge amount of our students are currently in employment or looking to upskill, work in industry, enterprise, or even involved with research. And the program gives you systematic ways to analyze all these kinds of data because it gives you the strong theoretical background. The program provides knowledge of essential probabilistic and statistical concepts, building statistical models using classical and Bayesian approaches, so quite modern approaches. It gains transferable programming skills to emphasize the computational aspects of statistical procedures. We train you to understand what you're doing as well as how to do it. This is so important. With that knowledge, you can use critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Being able to solve a statistical problem isn't the same as understanding it. Lastly, you get to apply your skills to data sets using advanced object-oriented statistical software like OR and effectively communicate your results and what they mean, both orally and written. The program itself is a level 9. It's 30 ECT credits. It's a 1-year part-time program run over 2 13-week semesters, delivered 2 evenings a week. The lectures are a mix of online classes and pre-recorded materials. The class size is actually a nice size. It's between 25 and 35 students. So you do get actually individual feedback and you get individual support. And it has been funded by Springboard the last few years. Modules you do in semester 1 are Introduction to Probability and Statistical Inference, which I teach, and Statistical Programming and Applications. These 2 modules are very linked. In my module, I teach you the theory. It's actually kind of paper and pencil. With that knowledge, you apply it in the other module. What you see there is an example of a data set I talk about in the class, but I've analysed looking at people with Parkinson's who have freezing of gait. In semester 2, you extend this knowledge and you do linear and generalised regression models and topics in applied statistics. Linear and generalised regression models are really the cusp of machine learning, data science, and all these things. It's how to predict data and also model data. What you can see there is an image of what's called a sigmoid, and it's to predict what's the likelihood of scoring a kick in a rugby game using real-world data. What are the students like afterwards? Well, here's an example of a testimonial. This comprehensive program has not only refined my technical expertise, but also strengthened my analytical thinking and decision-making skills, empowering me to deliver impactful and data-driven results in the banking sector. We pride ourselves in that no matter what background you are, we give you the skills, you can apply it. And we talk about that throughout the course. So it's really, while it might seem general, it's actually quite specific to individuals. If you'd like to learn about more details, you can go to the School of Maths website, you can go to the program website, or email Fiona Murray, who's the head of the program, or email the School of Maths at maths.admin. Thank you.